Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. What a crazy day today in the stock market. It is currently December 18th and it's 5:45 p.m. As you all can see, I have the stock heat map opened up. All I see is blood. Blood, I meant. I said blood. All I see is blood. Tech, blood. Tech services, blood. Finance, blood. Retail, blood. Health services, blood. Everything except actually health services had a little bit of green. There's actually one sector in the market there's a bullish market at all times, guys. So be aware. Although you see red everywhere, there's some bullish stocks right now. So today we had a big red day in the stock market following the FOMC meeting, and I'm here to break it all down. Even cryptocurrencies saw red. Look at this. Bitcoin down minus 4.90%. Ethereum down minus 5.47%. Look, all across the board, just seven. Oh my gosh. XRP took a big hit. All right, let's get back into it. So, why did the market? So, we're going to cover why the market sold off today, what triggered this big drop, key levels to watch moving forward, stocks, ETFs, and border indices, how investors can benefit from today's pullback, plus a look at a bullish stock, QBT, guys. QBT is currently on a bull run, although everyone else is red, guys. We're going to talk a little bit about that and what's happening in current cryptocurrencies right now. So, if you're looking to make smart moves in this volatile market, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. All right. So, first, let's talk about why QBT is still bullish, although everyone else is red. As you all can see, QBT had a solid day. This is the 1 month chart, I believe. And as we look and see the 1 day chart, you all can see what happened. The market opened up right here at 9:30 a.m., I believe. Yeah, 9:30 a.m. They shot up. And look, they they only fell by like what, 3 points. That's nothing, but they shot right back up before the market closed, guys. So QBT is Quantum Computing Inc. And it has been riding a momentum due to its leadership in quantum computing technology, a field that is expected to revolutionize data processing and AI. Be aware, this is why they're going up. Tech is the leader of the stock market right now, and QBT is the company for that. So that's why they're going up in value. They're prioritizing data and AI. In recent partnerships and advances in quantum algorithms with sheesh, guys, like today kind of like messed up my head, but I'm gonna get back to it. So in recent partnerships and advances in quantum algorithms, it gives a competitive edge as this sector grows. Let's talk about the technical outlook. So QBT has shown resilient price action, even on red market days like today, holding near support levels, guys. They had an 8% move up today. So this was impressive. The fact that they were able to shoot up, although everyone was going down, that was impressive. Watch for a potential breakout above the key resistance if volume picks up. Now, why does this matter? So, quantum computing remains one of the most exciting emerging technologies, and QBT is positioned to benefit as demand grows for industries like healthcare, finance, and cybersecurity. Here's a takeaway: this could be a great stock to watch for long term growth, especially during market pullbacks like today. Now, if you haven't already loaded up on QBT, I think I might have to load up on QBT because I see how resilient they are. Like on a day like today, when the S&P 500 was down by a lot and QBT stayed up like that, I might have to take advantage of that, guys. I'm gonna open up the major indices in a bit so that way we can take a look at those. I want to look at everything today. I want to cover everything. So I'm going to look up the indices. So here we go. Indices. Let's take a look at them. Sheesh. All right. So I have QBT in the search bar. Just going to search up S&P 500. Guys, look at the S&P 500. They plummeted today, guys. But before we get into this, let's talk about crypto a little bit. So let's shift our gears and we're going to talk about crypto. So, which is not a surprise that they fell because let's be honest, the stock market and crypto kind of move together. Now, Bitcoin remains strong, indicating they are at a key level. So, notice how we were trying to surpass this 100,000 level for the longest. And after a big red day like today, Bitcoin remained strong, which tells us that Bitcoin is doing well. They stayed up, although they're under by 4.79%. The fact that they're at 118 says a lot about the cryptocurrency, guys. Even during today's market sell off, this resilience right here really stamps Bitcoin as something that will change the way we view finances in the future. I'm telling you guys, look at this. They only fell from 108 to 101. I remember just about a week ago, about 2 weeks ago, we were trying to break through 100,000, and now look, on a red day, we're at 101,000. That's insane. So investors are increasing viewing Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, especially with rate policies like today. On the other hand, we have our other major cryptocurrency. We all know this one, Ethereum. Ethereum right here. I'm going to let the computer load up. So Ethereum is consolidating near this 3,685 price, which, is not that much of a surprise due to the fact that Bitcoin really didn't fall down in comparison to the stocks. But Ethereum decided to consolidate, with analysts optimistic about upgrades to its network and growing adoption in decentralized finance. Ethereum is definitely something to always keep an eye out on. So look at this, guys. They stayed in range. They fell from 4,000. Well, this was Monday, from 4,000 to 3,065. And look, they've been in this range for quite some time now. I'll open up the 1 month chart. Look, they're still in range, guys. They're still in range. So they're pretty solid right now too. And then on the other hand, altcoins, meanwhile, Solana, Avalanche, AVAX are seeing increased activity, especially as institutional money begins to flow back into cryptos, guys. So these altcoins right here, they're starting to see more gains. They're starting to see more gains because, look, well, Avalanche is down right now at the time of me speaking, but for the most part, because the Bitcoin and Ethereum are up, these altcoins are falling. So here's a key insight to follow through. So cryptocurrencies are showing signs of decoupling from the broader market, meaning they could continue their upward trend regardless of the stock market volatility. If you're bullish on crypto, this may be a good time to dollar cost average into your favorite coins. Now, what should you look out for as an investor? As an investor, you should look out for buying opportunities like today. The entire market, almost 90% of the S&P 500 is red, guys. This is a perfect time to buy in. Normally, there's a bull market going on and a bear market going on, and it's hard to really tell where to start buying in. But today, right now, at the time of me speaking right now, is the perfect time to really start buying stuff because you don't get times like this, guys. You don't get a lot of opportunities to do this, guys. And I just want to let you all know that today's sell-off was a result of the FOMC uncertainty. Stocks like QBT remain bullish, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are holding strong. And it's important to focus on key levels of support. Right now, the SPY, it's the ETF that pretty much tracks the S&P 500. It pretty much, hold on, let me hit the SPY. Actually, it's on my watch list. So the SPY, it pretty much had it had a negative 18% day take, guys. That's insane. So I'm gonna open this up like this. So look at this, guys. The SPY. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna look at their actual chart. They pulled back so far. I think this is the most I've ever seen the SPY pull back. I've only been investing for about 6 months now. Look at this big red momentum candle, guys. Actually, there's like four big red momentum candles. Look at that. I had support down here at 600. They pulled back even further to 592. And now look, they're at 587. The next key level is 580. And it looks like they're making a bear flag right here. Look, this looks like a bear flag. So they could potentially fall all the way back to 580. We don't know. We can never predict the market. And with these uncertainties, it's always best to be cautious and to protect your profits. So if you want to invest in the SPY, be aware they could potentially pull back even further down to 580. And honestly, if they do, that'll be a great time to buy in, guys. Because what do you guys think? Do you guys think it's better to buy up here at 604 or better when it's cheaper around 587, maybe 580 if they pull back to those levels tomorrow? I think it's better if you buy it when it's cheap at around 580. So if it does pull back, get it around this time, guys, if you're planning on investing in the SPY. It now, for the most part, that's all I have for you all today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. If you love this video, I promise you, you will love my next video. So go ahead, subscribe, show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. All right, everyone, take care and be smart with your investment.